WtP Commander. I got one person out with my M16, M4. No, guitars actually, and now I'm getting this last person out, so let's continue. He's over there by the tree. If you look over there, right over there by the big tree, the one I'm shooting at. This is, I'm using guitarist.
He's hit.
Really good gun. I never shot him.
He just did.
Dude, I hit the freaking tree.
He's scared. You done got him scared. I want to be like a comedy guy when I grow up. That'd be awesome. Talking about penises.
Dude, shut up.
My bad.
My parents watch these videos because of you. Stay right there.
Man, how was? Oh my God, are you serious?
What?
Real bad, Michael Jackson. 7, 58, 59, 60. It's a minute! Yay! Shut up. Stupid dog. Dog trick dog.
Oh!
I swear to God, if you shoot me, I'm punching your face.
Huh? Okay, you got hit.
He's hit.
About 3 times.
Seriously, he got shot 3 times, 3 shots, buddy.
He said you
There's the water.
face.
Ding! Haha! Hey, can I have a war?
Yeah. All right.
I'm gonna use. Hey, can I have a M16?